Alright, my name is Cuco Oropesa, Francisco's Mexican restaurant back in the days. And I'm going to show you how to prepare some Chile Rellenos, Francisco style. Okay? There's many ways to do it, but this is our way. First, I have stuffed peppers with Monterey Jack cheese. Basically, you get a nice firm pepper. You can get them fresh, or you can get them in a can. Okay, so I do now. Now I'll get them a little salt on them. A little salt. Okay. Then I'll put some flour. Just a little bit so the egg will stick on them. The egg can stick better onto the pepper. A little bit of help with your eggs. Okay? Okay. Now we'll prepare our oil to fry them in. A little bit of canola oil. You use that to just enough so your granules can float a little bit. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna make your egg whites, separating the yolk from the egg white. So we try to use 1 egg for 2 rellenos. Okay? So that way they're not too eggy, because you're gonna have flour, you're gonna have all these other goodies in there, baking powder, and it'll fluff up and become really nice. Your relleno should be fluffy. Now we're gonna start getting our egg whites fluffy. Alrighty then, and then I'm gonna add my flour, a little bit of salt, and my eggs. Just a little shake, nothing much. Get a little bit of flour. I'll actually mix the flour after I stir in the eggs first, a little bit. Okay. Okay. Then I'm going to get a little bit of baking powder, just a touch, so it can help fluff up the egg. Just all about an eighth. Just a little bit quarter. Here we go. Let's see what happens. Okay. A little bit of flour. Oh, about a tablespoon. We'll play it by ear till we get to the point where it gets nice and thick. Okay? Yes. And get this baby cranking, and we get it nice and fluffy. Here it goes. The game is on. There we are. Okay. Now we're going to add the yolk to the nice fluffy egg whites. Now, when you put it in, one of the keys is to make sure, pour it in slowly and you're folding the mixture in. You're not going to stir it in, you're going to fold it in. That way you don't break down your egg whites. Okay? Very important. The egg whites stay firm. Get your Chile Relleno in the fire. Okay? Put this, get the wiggle good all around. This is going to be a little tricky. Okay? So, even Stevens. A little bit of oil on them. Get the thing coated so you can get them to flip. So when you turn them, they're not going to explode on you. Ooh, good one. Okay, we're ready to show you how to make Chile Relleno sauce Francisco style. Okay, the famous Chile Relleno sauce. Don't tell anybody about this, but unless you really want to eat it and share it with your friends. This is for you for free. Okay, what we have is bell peppers. We do a half a bell pepper. This batch is going to call for a half a bell pepper, half of onions, and they have been now sliced up, julienne style. I'm going to add them to some oil here. I got ready to go. A little bit of oil. We're going to saute a little bit, probably on medium. Okay, we're almost ready. Here we go. We're still getting a little bit more saute. We don't want to burn them. You keep them like a medium. Okie dokie. We're almost there. I'm going now to throw in a little bit of oregano. Right now it's just going to be a pinch because I like to get the spices cooked together a little bit. A little pinch. Okay. Look, I'm going to do 2 cups of hot water. Maybe 2 teaspoons of good chicken pollo bouillon. Yeah. Throw that in, get that go. Keep an eye on your pepper, onions, cebolla, half a tomato for now, because I will add some diced canned tomato with some juice. So I'm going to have this baby here and there. And pretty soon I'm going to get ready to throw chicken in there. Chicken there. Let that cover, we'll cover that up. Let it simmer for a little bit. All right, and we add a little bit of diced tomato, maybe a couple tablespoons. Okay, I've already done it. Got the color in there, so you can see it. There's some in there already. That's what it looks like. Now I'm going to put in my flour and water roux together here to thicken this up. I put in a couple of tablespoons. I may have to add more because this is my first batch I've done in a long time. Okay. See it becoming nice and yellow. Yummy, yum, yum. Now we're talking. Yeah. Oh yeah. A little bit more, another pinch of oregano. That is one of the main ingredients of the flavor of the simple spice. Just another pinch. Let it all cook in with the water roux. And yeah. See if it thickens up. You can always add more if you need to, but as it cooks, it'll start thickening up. Okay? Just for you to know. So, be patient, give it 15 more minutes, and we'll be back. Oh yeah, here we go. Perfect.